and welcome to the Water Education TV Spooky Halloween episode. I've got my Halloween costume on today. Of course, I chose to dress as Water Education Dog, bringing water education all over the world. So today our activity is going to explore the chemical and physical properties of seawater as compared to fresh water. Our materials are going to be 2 glasses of water, some salt, a spoon, and a hard-boiled egg. Oof, sorry, that was a little spooky for me. So first we're going to start by peeling your hard-boiled egg so it looks just like this. Next, we're going to make our seawater in one of the cups. So we're going to pour a whole lot of salt in there. Try to get about a tablespoon. We're going to leave our other cup as is for our control or fresh water. Now we're ready to start our experiment. So we'll take the hard-boiled peeled egg and drop it first into the fresh water. As you can see, it sinks right to the bottom. Now let's see what happens in our salt water. So I'm going to fish out the hard-boiled egg and drop it in the salt water. So what we've learned from this experiment is that salt water is denser than regular water, or fresh water. Salt water, once we mixed the salt in, became a higher density than the egg, whereas the regular water was lower density than the egg. That's why the egg floats in the salt water, but it doesn't float in the fresh water. Thanks for doing this experiment with me, and make sure to go to store.projectwet.org to find your own copy of Explore Ocean's Kids Activity Booklet. Thanks for joining me on Water Education TV, and join us next time.